Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download WhatsApp Media to phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download WhatsApp Media to phone, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and this kind of drop down menu will appear. Tap on the settings on this drop down menu, and over here tap on the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Now here it says the media visibility option available for us over here just above the font size. Now it also says guys, show newly downloaded media in your phones or your devices gallery. Now in order to download your WhatsApp media to phone, make sure that it's turned on and on green. And with that being done guys, all the media on WhatsApp which were sent to you will be available on your phone as well or your devices gallery. And with that being said guys, this is how to download WhatsApp media to phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.